Hi, this is Maria with WTI.
I love makeup, and this Maybelline New York Eye Studio Color Blush eyeshadow palette, it's one of my favorites. That's because the colors are very pigmented, and it has the exact colors I need to achieve a great variety of makeup looks, from soft looks that I can wear in the morning to more elaborated night looks. I really like that these colors are very easy to apply, and I don't have to go over and over with the same color for it to be noticeable. For me, this means that I can have a complete eye makeup look in less time. For example, it takes me about 3 to 4 minutes to complete an eyeshadow look like this, and I can wear it every day. But the black and the silver shades of this palette are out of this world. I love how much they shine. I can apply them with my fingers and still achieve a very pretty eye makeup look. Anyone who likes makeup should have one of these because it makes it easier to put on makeup and still have great results at the end and results that will last. When I use this palette for my makeup, I know for sure it's gonna last all day. That's why this is one of my favorite makeup items.
And that's my point of view.